At one point, when I called home and said, I've dropped out of school and I'll be coming home, but I'm going to stay here and do this play first. And my father sent through my sister, who was on the line, saying, well, tell him that if he didn't make it as a success as a student, he's not going to make it as a success as an actor. And my simple response was, I'll be the judge of that. So I stayed on, and I did my role. They never said another thing about it until finally I was in the Army, came back, went back to Chicago a week after I was home, and immediately began acting in Chicago. And I always wanted them to come see me. So I waited until we did the Dybbuk. And I played Rabbi Azriel. So they came up. My mom baked a chicken, which she brought with her, because my dad wouldn't eat in the hotels. And they finally came to the theater, and they were brought up the back way, I guess. I don't know. I was in charge of cleanup for our company. My dad said to me, he said, listen, you're in charge of the cleanup. I said, yeah. He said, well, that banister was dirty. It was dusty. He said, you got to get that cleaned up. I said, okay, then, I will. I'll see to it that it's done. Okay. So I made sure that I cleaned that goddamn banister, that's for sure. So they saw the show with me as Azriel. And two young girls were sitting next to my mother. And I guess they were very excited at seeing the show. And my mother said, it's my son. Oh, my. My dad never said anything. Later on, I heard that when he came home, because I played Azriel as being 90 or something like that, he said he said he was so old, I wanted to get up on that stage and help him. But that was his being impressed by my performance. So old. So it came off well.